Hey guys, we received this Chihuahua men's loose fit quilted flannel lined workwear waterproof active jacket for test and try. So it's a hooded work coat and comes in a really vacuum packed packing. So let me just open and take this out. So this one is a flannel lined workwear. So it's a waterproof and the fabric outside and also active jacket that you can wear. So with the flannel, it's really a warm feel that comes inside, and you can see this have a side pocket with a hooded jacket. Zipper is good, like, and this is the flannel inside. You can see. So it's a nice jacket with a warm feel, inside pockets for mobile and everything. With the sleeves with elastic so it will hold well on your hand and the wrist, and then the hooded jacket, so it's a hooded cap so that will protect overall from the winters. After wearing it's comfortable and fits really well with the cap and everything. And then from the bottom also, like, the side pockets are really good, and with the flannel it's feel warm, and the side pocket, and so it's a really nice jacket.